Camera rolling, scene 2, take 3, action.
My name is Olasumbazat. I played the role of Gift in The Rapist.
My name is Akiola Anthony. I played the role of Assistant Detective Evans in the movie Rapist.
My name is Blessing Meseko Olaiton. I'm the makeup artist though.
My name is Adeleke Ayodele. I played the role of a detective in The Rapist, and I'm also the playwright.
My name is Zoluto Kikiolu. I played the role of the painter in the movie Rapist.
My name is Adesina Bayo Gabriel, and I played the role of a lawyer.
It's not been easy. If you are a theater practitioner, I'm very sure you understand what I mean by it's not been easy working with this team. It's not been.
I would like to say that it's not been easy, the movie that everyone sees in just like 2 hours, 1 hour, and all that. It's not been easy. It takes days, months, a lot of energy and all that. But all glory to God, it has been happening and we've been,
It was stressful and also fun. It's also been my first time on set. It's very tedious, but I love it.
Concerning the location and the acting, is quite fun, make new friends, meet new people, and all thanks to the producer, the writer, and everybody behind the scene that cannot be seen. Thank you.
It's not been easy at all. Being the director, the DOP, watching the sound, being the production manager, everything all in one. It's not easy because we already planned 2 days for this project, but later it turns to 4 days. But we thank God.
The message is just to see what we can do.
Expect it. It's fantastic.